Today, we're going to explore some inspiring quotes from one of the most outstanding businessmen in history, John D. Rockefeller. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the wisdom of John D. Rockefeller.
If you want to succeed, you should strike out on new paths, rather than travel the worn paths of accepted success. Money is a way of keeping count on how well you're doing in business. I do not think that there is any other quality so essential to success of any kind as the quality of perseverance. It overcomes almost everything, even nature. The ability to deal with people is as purchasable a commodity as sugar or coffee, and I will pay more for that ability than for any other under the sun. If your only goal is to become rich, you will never achieve it. I believe that every right implies a responsibility, every opportunity, an obligation, every possession, a duty. Charity is injurious unless it helps the recipient to become independent of it. Good management consists in showing average people how to do the work of superior people. This Sunday school has been of help to me, greater perhaps than any other force in my Christian life, and I can ask no better things for you than that you, and all that shall come after you in this great band of workers for Christ, shall receive the same measure of blessedness which I have been permitted to have. I can think of nothing less pleasurable than a life devoted to pleasure. I would rather earn 1% off of 100 people's efforts than 100% of my own efforts. A friendship founded on business is better than a business founded on friendship. Good leadership consists of showing average people how to do the work of superior people. Competition is a sin. Singleness of purpose is one of the chief essentials for success in life, no matter what may be one's aim. Next to doing the right thing, the most important thing is to let people know you are doing the right thing. Giving should be entered into in just the same way as investing. Giving is investing. It is wrong to assume that men with immense wealth are always happy. I know of nothing more despicable and pathetic than a man who devotes all the hours of the waking day to the making of money for money's sake. Don't blame the marketing department. The buck stops with the chief executive. We can never learn too much of his will towards us, too much of his messages and his advice. The Bible is his word, and its study gives at once the foundation for our faith and an inspiration to battle onward in the fight against the tempter. After it is all over, the religion of man is his most important possession. I believe in the dignity of labor, whether with head or hand, that the world owes no man a living but that it owes every man an opportunity to make a living. The common denominator for success is work. It has always been my rule in business to make everything count. Get rich by taking something common and making it uncommon. Oftentimes the most difficult competition comes, not from the strong, the intelligent, the conservative competitor, but from the man who is holding on by the eyelids and is ignorant of his costs, and anyway he's got to keep running or bust. Oh, how blessed young men are who have to struggle for a foundation and beginning in life. The poorest man I know is the man who has nothing but money. I never placed my head upon the pillow at night without reminding myself that my success might only be temporary. Don't be afraid to give up the good to go for the great. I always tried to turn every disaster into an opportunity. Do you know the only thing that gives me pleasure? It's to see my dividends coming in. I have ways of making money that you know nothing of. There is nothing in this world that can compare with the Christian fellowship, nothing that can satisfy but Christ. Every right implies a responsibility, every opportunity, an obligation, every possession, a duty. The most important thing for a young man is to establish a credit, a reputation, character. The only question with wealth is, what do you do with it? And we are never too old to study the Bible. Each time the lessons are studied comes some new meaning, some new thought which will make us better. I believe that thrift is essential to well-ordered living.
We hope you found these quotes insightful and inspiring. If you have a favorite John D. Rockefeller quote that we didn't mention in this video, please share it with us in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more inspirational content like this. Thanks for watching.